Hello everybody and welcome to Lillestrøm. Where are we now, Anna?
In Lillestrøm at Lillestrøm Torv at a street food festival.
And what is happening here?
There are several different street foods. What are they called? Food trucks? That was the word I'm looking for. There are very many food trucks at the city center, and they are selling all kinds of street food. So
From all around the world?
Yeah, you have Greek food, you have Japanese food, Thai food, chicken, in different kinds of fried chicken, and you have some cheese stalls, and you have crepes, also the pancakes, and you have some waffles on a stick, and churros, and
lots of other stuff.
yes.
So please come with us and and taste the food. Hi. Okay, Annalene, so what do we got here?
This is a gyro, gyro.
Gyros in pita.
Yes, and it smells delicious. And what is this? It's something chicken?
Chicken. I think it was lollipop wings box with chips.
Some fries.
So, will you please taste?
We'll taste one of these.
Nice.
Yeah, approved.
And of course, obligatorisk solo med Coca-Cola. Yeah, Coca-Cola. So let's taste the gyros. Yeah. Nice Greek food. It's approved.
Pappa, videon gjør det. Skal jeg ringe mamma? Hva filmer du? Men hva filmer du? I'm a girl power. You are a girl power.
Okay, so what do we got here now?
So we have some chicken dumplings with a sauce, and we also have a crepe with nougat and powdered sugar. But I don't think these kids like
No,
nougat.
that's not for the
We
kids.
like it. We love it.
It's for daddy.
No, we eat it each day. Kan jeg prøve det?
So I'm going to try one of the dumplings. Abroad.
Looks like he likes it.
I love it.
Do you like it, Olila?
Yes. I'm going to go for that.
Blandland, tror du?
Vi fikk russekort.
Hey.
Ja, det er
We
bakpå.
got the russekort.
Det er
This
bakpå.
is a
Den fikk ikke du?
Norwegian tradition.
Jeg la min oppi her.
Let me see.
Look at this.
Only in Norway. So what did you buy, Annelem?
So of course we have to bring something home. So these are some stuffed peppers, I think. Different kinds. This is called pepperoni peppers, I think. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert. And we also have some mixed olives with some garlic. So now we can enjoy something this evening.
Yeah. Nice. So what did you think about the whole street food market thing?
I think it was very nice. I like the places where they tell you how long it's going to take before you get the food, because then you can go and buy something else while you're waiting, because there's a lot of waiting here. So the food is delicious, but you have to have a lot of time.
Yes, it's like going to a nice 7 or 8 course restaurant where you have to wait for so long that you then never get to feel the stomach get filled up, because you have to wait and wait and wait.
That's what I mean, to bring something with you back home.
Yes, you need some extra. So maybe we should just say thank you for watching from the food festival at Lillestrøm.
And if you see that the street food festival is coming to a place that you're visiting, then you should make a stop there.
Yes, you should. And I hope you hear what we are saying, because it's a lot of noise here. So, but anyway, thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe and hit that like button. See you in the next one.
And we're gonna try to get. Trying to get to 1,000 million subscribers.
Once again.
We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, please let me have 1,000 subscribers.
Or maybe we are gonna get to 100,000 subscribers.
Ah, that would be nice.
Papa, kan jeg også gjøre?
Okay.
Subscribe and like. Goodbye.
So now you know what you got to do. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to know more about Lillestrøm, I put another link up on the screen right now about Lillestrøm in a video that I made earlier. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye bye.